Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF50 is our #1 selling moisturiser with SPF, and when it comes to concerns of ageing and a changing skin, this will be your daily moisturiser. Keeping our skin firm, youthful and protected is important when it comes to concerns of ageing and premature ageing. Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF50 is part of Dermalogica's Age Smart range and is a medium weight moisturiser that penetrates easily into your skin. We love the Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF50 because of the multiple benefits it brings your skin. Firstly, the palmitoyl tripeptide 5 and lysine polypeptide stimulates the formation of collagen and prevents collagen breakdown. Glucosamine will stimulate hyaluronic acid and collagen to provide hydration and suppleness, plus it helps control age-related pigmentation. As a bonus for your skin, oleosome encapsulation technology elevates the SPF performance while using fewer chemical sunscreen. This enhances your skin's natural ability to fight skin aging, to prevent and slow the signs of aging. It blends easily, smells amazing, and provides a perfect finish for your skin. If you need further advice about the Dynamic Skin Recovery SPF50 or guidance around the products and your skin, please visit our website and click on Advice.